What's up, guys? Tony from Tucker Speed here. Got another new product highlight that we want to talk to you about, the Thrashin Supply Apex floorboards. We're really excited about this product. I think it's a super innovative floorboard that we're really excited about. But first, just remember to subscribe, like this video, maybe even leave a comment or question below. Let us know how we're doing. Give us some feedback, products that you want to see, questions about this product or whatever. Just helps us make these videos more entertaining, more informational, and just get better at them. So stay engaged with us, and hopefully we can grow this and keep them going. So let's jump in, talk about these floorboards. So what the fine folks over at Thrashin Supply did is they took the stock Harley floorboard and just decided it was way too big. So if you have problems of really riding aggressive, getting into canyons and ripping and stuff like that, you've probably scraped stock floorboards. So they've shrunk these floorboards. They're quite a bit shorter than stock and quite a bit slimmer, and especially at the back where the floorboard sits at its lowest point, and that's normally where it hits the ground first. So they've slimmed this up. The other cool thing that they did, you can see here, is they've added a Delron plastic little skid plate, if you will. So if it does hit the ground, it's not going to dig in real hard like metal on asphalt type thing. It's going to slide a little easier. And these little sliders are replaceable as well. So if you do wear them out, you can throw a new set on there and you're good to go. So like I said, they're great for the guy that wants to maintain floorboards. Whether you're riding a bagger or another FL model with floorboards, but you ride a little more aggressively and you want to not be scraping every other corner. This is a great product. The other cool thing that they've done is they've added or given you the option to buy this extension piece here. The extension, I kind of have it assembled on this floorboard. It adds an inch or so to the back of the floorboard. It's actually angled up a little bit, so as your foot slides back, kind of digs in and helps your foot stay planted there. So you have the optional extension piece, and then the other option on these things is they have a lift kit. I have this one set up with the extension and the lift kit. It gives you about a ½ inch higher ground clearance when mounted on the bike. So you can see if you're comparing these two floorboards, the mount height with the lift kit, ½ inch taller, with the extension, without the extension. So it's a versatile product, kind of tailor it to your liking and what you got going on with your bike. Comes in black anodized and also show chrome. So it's, like I said, it's a product that I'm super excited. I really like working with the guys over at Thrashin Supply. They're just, a quality company, fine folks over there. It's a made in the USA product, so just another great reason to support them. So yeah, check them out on our website, tuckerspeed.com. Hit us with any messages or questions. We'd love to help you out.